The thrill of the chase. Understanding a neck-and-neck race. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a very interesting and dynamic phrase, a neck-and-neck race. This expression is packed with imagery and excitement, and it's used quite frequently in both everyday conversations and professional contexts. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations. A neck-and-neck race refers to a competition where two or more contestants are so evenly matched that they are virtually tied, with no clear leader. The phrase paints a vivid picture of a horse race where two horses are so close to each other that their necks appear to be in line. In essence, it's used to describe any situation where the competition is so tight that predicting the outcome is almost impossible. The origins of a neck-and-neck race can be traced back to the early 19th century, closely tied to the world of horse racing, a sport known for its intense competition and thrilling finishes. The imagery is straightforward. In a close race, the horses' necks would be so close together that they seem to be in alignment, creating suspense and excitement among spectators. Over time, this phrase has transcended the realm of horse racing and is now applied to any fiercely competitive situation. Using a neck-and-neck race in conversation is a fantastic way to convey the intensity and uncertainty of a competitive situation. Here are a few examples to help you get started. In sports, the final seconds of the game were a neck-and-neck race, with both teams scoring back and forth. In elections, the polls show that it's a neck-and-neck race between the two leading candidates. In business, the two startups are in a neck-and-neck race to dominate the market. While a neck-and-neck race is the most common version, you might also hear variations like neck-and-neck competition or going neck-and-neck. All these variations retain the original sense of a close contest where the lead could change at any moment. And there you have it, the exciting world of a neck-and-neck race. This phrase is not only colorful but also incredibly useful for describing tight competitions in various contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origin, and usage. Whether you're watching a thrilling sports event, following a close election, or discussing competitive business landscapes, now you can confidently use this phrase to describe the intensity of the competition. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. See you in our next video.